Hello everyone, I'm Naval Yemul here. So welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you have seen all the previous videos on the playlist of Power BI. So now in this video we are going to see about the DAX functions on logical functions. So how to use a logical functions in DAX. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel. Please like the video, share. Yeah guys, so we are going to see about the logical functions in DAX. I have a data set here. You can see a full name and I have a region column and I have a salary column. Now let us apply some logical functions, in DAX here. So let us click on this overview. I strongly recommend using this documentation. So we have and bit L shift, bit or bit R shift, and so on. But we are using only few of them. So let me explain you the important thing in this logical functions. So let us go with if condition first. So if condition is simple, like we always use in any programming language, if statement. So if you have not used, not to worry, it is very simple. So let us look at the syntax. So syntax says that it is taking three parameters. First is test, second is if true, and the third is if false. So how the if condition works? So it will first test the logic, it tests the condition. If the condition is true, you'll get this answer. If the condition is false, you get this answer. So let me read out the parameters for you. Logical test, any value or the expression that can be evaluated to true or false. The value that returns if the logic test is true, and the value that is returned if the logic test is false. If it is omitted, it will give you the blank. So blank is written. You need to remember that. So let us look at the simple example. So it is saying that price group, okay, price group, and if the table product column least price is less than 500, show me low. If it is less than 500, show me low. Otherwise, show me high. That's it. Then if you want to show like a medium also, so if nested if, they are using nested if, so we will come to the nested if, not to worry. So first we'll use if statement in the DAX. So now what I'll do, I'll take a region column. I have four regions, south, east, west, and so on. Now what I'll do, if my region is west, okay, suppose I belong to Maharashtra, if my region is west, it should show me in region, and for all others it should show me out of the region. So let me take a new column. So I want a scenario that I should get in region and out of region. In region, if I am in the west, so for that let me take a if. Actually you should take a different column name, but for now I am taking a column name if only. So I'll take a if statement, and you can click or you can press tab to select the IntelliSense. So it is asking you for logical test, what you want to check. Okay, I want to check a column region. Okay, in that column region, if the value is equal to, if the value is equal to west, okay, west, then you give me the value that is returned if it is true. What value you want to return if it is west? Okay, if it is west, I want to return in region. Okay, if I put a comma, it is asking me, okay, what if there is, if the region is not west, what if, then you can give out region, or what happens if I do not specify that. Let me press enter. So it will give you a blank one. Just now we have seen, you can see all blank, blank, blank. So in fraction of second I can say that, oh, here is west, here is west, here is west, and you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 regions are from the west. No, I want to I don't want the blanks here. I want something else, like I want out region, out of region. I want to specify this. Let me close this and enter. Now you can see, beautiful. You get in region, out region. Yeah, in region, out region, in region, out of the region, in region, out of the region. Okay, this is how if statement works. But in real time, we will be using in many times, sorry, if many times, and also nested if also. So we will apply this nested if. Here you can see, if this condition is true, I'll get low. After you put a comma, it will go to the false. So if this condition is not true, it will go and check this one. In that, again I'm passing one condition. If that is true, you get true or you get false. So let me apply the same logic on the salary column, on this salary column. So I'll be using new column and I'll say I'm applying if DAX or if condition on salary, if on salary, if statement. So now let me check. I have a salary ranging from 31,000 to maximum 57,000. I guess 58,000 is also there. So let me say that I am checking a salary column. If your salary column is less than 35,000, I will say that increase. I want the value, like, let me tell it as a low salary, or you return it as a medium one. Okay, let me close this, or not medium, let me take high salary. Let me close this. Now you may get only high and low, and so on. You can see you got a low here because that is less than 35,000, less than 35,000, less than 35,000, less than 35,000. Now, actually, I want medium also. If my salary is in between 35,000 to 50,000, I should get medium. Otherwise, I should get low. So let me take a new column again. So I'll show you in a better way. So I'll take if salary to second column, and if statement, if my salary column is less than 35,000, I should get low, comma. So what you want to specify in, if it is not less than 4, okay, if it is not less than 4, take again if statement. Now again I'm passing a parameter here, like if a salary is less than 50,000, then show me it as a medium, or show me that it is high. Let me close. So this one bracket is closed. Let me put one more bracket and close the main if statement. Okay. Now you can see the salary is low because it's 35,000. If it is between 35,000 and 50,000, it is medium, and above 50, it will show you high, and so on. Above 50, above 50, above 50. Now you can see that this code is all in one line. What I can do with this code is I can just press Shift Enter to get in a new line. I can press Shift Enter again to get in a new line. I can press Shift Enter here, and I'll press a Shift Enter here, Shift Enter here, Shift Enter here, and one more Shift Enter here. Now this code becomes more readable. You can see that, okay, if this is my statement, this is my condition. If this is true, you give me this. If this is not true, or if this is false, execute this. In this, if it is true, give me this or give me this. Then this bracket is closed here, this bracket is closed here. So this is how a if or nested if statement works. I hope you understood this video, guys. If you like the content, please share the video with your friends who are in need and like the video. Thank you for watching again. Keep learning,